Welcome back, Mel Fam, to another cooking video, and in this video we'll be trying this new recipe, top-notch meat slider. So now you know what we're doing. Let's get right into the video. Mel will be linking the recipe over here or down in the description below. So guys, for my marinated chicken, I'll be linking the ingredients over here. Yep, right there. And I used 2 chicken breasts. I cut them in quarter, then I put them in a bowl, add some whole milk to it. I add some salt and pepper to season it, add some meat seasoning, whatever meat seasoning you have. I added some thyme, some scallions, some pimento grains, and a crushed garlic. Seal that bowl up and put it in the fridge until today. So I'm going to use this plate to make my flour butter for my chicken. So I'm going to then add about 1 cup of flour. I'm going to add 1 cup of flour, teaspoon of black pepper and salt as well, and some all-purpose seasoning. I'm going to add some paprika and breadcrumbs as well, and stir that to combine. So stir everything, combine it well, and we get ready to batter our chicken. This is my batter station, and the process for here is that I take out my chicken out of my milk batter, then I put it in flour. So you want to get it well coated with the flour. So you have to spin it to make it get coated as many times. Then I add it to some breadcrumbs that I have there, and then I set it aside. You can always do different variation for this part, but this is what I do for mine, and we will do it for all of the other chicken breasts that we have. I have some fries here, some store-bought fries. I'm going to put it in a baking pan and bake it in the oven for about 60 minutes. Here we have it. So guys, here I have my toasted buns. I have my lettuce leaves and some sliced tomatoes. Let's begin our assemble process. So on my toasted buns here, I'm going to add 1 of my fried marinated chicken breasts. So on top on one of those juicy chickens. Then I'm going to top that with some nice crunchy lettuce leaves. And then a nice red juicy tomato. And top on my top part of my bun. And there you have it guys, my top meat slider. So guys, that's it for my video today. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Turn on post notifications so you can get notified when I post new videos, and stay tuned for more videos coming your way soon.